Good morning, everybody. I am Abdulafiz Wamiloju. I am here today to show you how you can resolve a failed or delayed auto funding by yourself. So at times when you make payments into your wallets through auto wallet funding means, for one reason or the other, you will not receive the value of that payment in your wallet. This is caused by many reasons, and most of the time is beyond our control at Subfactory. But there is a way that we have incorporated into our website whereby you can resolve the issue. It is very easy and straightforward once you can follow the instructions that I'm about to give you. So whenever you make a payment and you check your wallet and you do not receive the value, the first thing you have to do is to check your mailbox, whether Monify has sent you an email notification. So let me show you an example of such a notification. This is an example of such notification. It normally looks like this. It will show you that you have made a payment to Minimum Minds Venture, and it will show you the value that you have paid. And at the time, inside that message, there is a transaction reference. So it is that transaction reference that we actually need for the purpose of resolving the issue. So what you will do, here is the transaction reference. This very string of numbers and letter. So you will copy it. You will make a long press on it like this. So after the long press, then you try to copy. It is only that code that you are going to copy. Then you copy it. Once you have copied it, meaning your device system has copied it in its memory, then you will now go inside your Subfactory app or website, whichever one you are using. So when you open your app, let me open my own app here. So you will go to your Subfactory app. Then what you now do next is you will click these 3 lines up here. So after you have clicked the 3 lines up there, then the next thing that you are going to do, you will go to self-service section, this self-service section. So then you will now click resolve Monify funding, resolve Monify funding. So after clicking that resolve Monify funding, then you will now select, the first thing that you are going to do is you select the payment method. So you click Monify auto wallet funding. I think that is the only option there. Then there your reference, transaction reference that you have copied from the mail. Then you will now come here and paste it here. The way you paste is you will take a long press on this box. So after long press on this box, so after the long, some options will come. Then you paste the reference. Just click paste. So the reference will appear on that place. Then the amount that you have, that you have paid, you write it here. Let's say it's 1,000 naira. 1,000 naira. Then you will now write the date of the payment. If the date of the payment is not the present date, then you have to change it. But because the date of this payment is 16/10/2024, so there's no need to There's no need to to change the date. So you will now click verify and fund wallet. You click verify and fund wallet. So see. Look at this response that the system has given to me. It said value already given, transaction was completed and the depositor wallet was credited successfully. So meaning that the transaction that we use as an example here, it has been credited. Let's assume that the transaction was not successful. What will happen is that the response here will be different. It will write something like what will happen is that the app is going to close itself. Then on top of your login page, it will write a message telling you that the transaction has been successful. Then it will now ask you to log in again. So by the time you log in again, you'll discover that the amount has been added to your wallet. So that is how we are going to always resolve your Monify funding issue. Whenever you make a transfer and they sent you an email notification, so you now go inside that email notification, you copy the transaction reference and bring it inside your app to come and resolve it yourself. It is very simple. Then another thing is that let's assume that you did not receive the mail. Then you can always communicate us on our customer care line, which is 08058758821. Then you tell us, most of the time what normally happens is that if you don't receive email, there is chance that we have received the email, because the Monify company will send you an email and they will send a similar mail to Subfactory as well to tell us that you have made a payment. So inside the 2 mails, there is a common reference. The reference that you're supposed to have in your home mail will also be inside our home mail. So meaning that we can always give you the reference. Once you chat us on WhatsApp, we'll send you the reference. So from there, you now copy it and go and use it inside your app. So thank you for staying with us till the end. If you still have any concern, or any complaints, you can always forward it to us through our WhatsApp customer care number 08058758821. Thank you.